Hey everyone, it's Eikos here from EdTech Flow. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so I've been using this thing now over the last 2-3 weeks. This is, guys, the Hume Band. Hume Band. Hume Band. And at first I thought it's just gonna be another one of those trackers. You know, like Fitbit, Whoop, Oura, all doing similar things. But after actually wearing it daily, it's a bit different. This one feels way more focused on like your actual health, recovery and long-term performance, not just steps and basic stats. So yeah, I've been using it properly, like work, sleep, walking, in the gym, like everywhere. And I'll just tell you how it's been in the real life. So let's go. So first thing, wearing it. This is probably one of the easiest wearables I've used. It's super light, no screen, nothing distracting. And honestly, that's exactly why I like it. You just put it on and you forget about it. I've been wearing it literally all day, even sleeping with it, and it never annoyed me once. No adjusting, no taking it off, it just fit on your routine without you even think about it. The battery is also really solid. It's getting around 4-5 days, sometimes even pushing more depending on use, and charging is quick enough that it's not even something you think about. And that's kind of the whole experience with this band. You don't manage it like a smartwatch. It just sits there, track everything, and you just check it whenever you want it. And now let's talk about the tracking, because this is the most important. And I'm gonna be honest here, for me it's been really consistent. Like sleep tracking, this is something I always check. If I sleep bad, I feel it, and the band shows it. If I recover properly, it reflects that too. Same with recovery and stress. After gym days or long shifts, you can actually see the difference, and it makes sense, not just random numbers. And that is the important part, it feels reliable. It's not perfect, no wearable is perfect, but definitely accurate enough to actually trust it daily. And what I like is the most is the way it focuses on your overall body. It's not just like you walk at 8,000 steps today. It's more like this is how your body is performing. It looks more into recovery, stress, metabolic stuff, basically how ready you are. And after a couple of weeks, you actually start paying attention to that more. Like I found myself checking recovery way more than steps, which makes more sense if you actually care about improving over time. And the app, honestly, is really clean. That's one thing I noticed straight away. You open it and everything is just there. Sleep, recovery, daily stats, everything. No confusion, no digging through menus. And it actually explains things properly. Not like some apps where you see numbers and you're like, okay, but what does that even mean? This one is simple, but still give you enough detail. And yeah, big plus, no subscription just to access your own data, which is kinda rare now. So yeah, after using it a few weeks now, I can say this one of those devices that just fit into your lifestyle. You don't think about it, it's comfortable, battery is good, tracking is reliable, and the app actually makes sense. And the biggest thing for me is actually made me more aware of my recovery and sleep. Like I started paying attention to how I feel versus what the data show. And most of the time it's lineup. And compared to stuff like Whoop or Oura, this sits in a really nice place. You still get that deeper insight into your body, but it's simpler, easier to use, and less complicated overall. It just doesn't try to overwhelm you. So yeah, overall, I'm actually really pleased with it. It's simple, reliable, and just easy to live with. If you want something focused on your health, recovery, and long-term performance, this is solid. If you want a smartwatch with notification and screen, this is, guys, it's not for you. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about it. And thank you, Hume, again. Hume. Okay. And thank you, Hume, again, to send me this product as well and sponsoring today's video. It was a pleasure to test it out, and I just keep using it, and we'll see in the later time, like 2-3 weeks, 2-3 months later, how it can handle and how I can improve these last few months. And probably I will make another video, as an update video. Anyway, guys, I will put down, wait a second. I will put down the links in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Thank you for watching, subscribe, blah 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 blah. And I'll catch you in the next. Oh no. It was Acos from a Tech Flow. It was a band from Hume Band. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!